The topic of today's video is how to add a family member to your Amazon Prime account. So the first thing that we want to do is hop over to the Amazon Prime website, of course. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on here where it says account and lists. And then you want to go till you see Prime membership. Then on the right hand side, you'll see manage memberships. Click on that. And then you want to click on manage your Amazon family. From there, you can just click on create your Amazon family. And now you need to choose your country of residence. Then you need to put in the person's name and their email address. Keep in mind, they must have an Amazon account. Next up, you can agree to share your payment method. And then lastly, you can send an invite. And that is how easy it is. They have 14 days to accept the invite. And then your family member will be added to your Prime account. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.